Welcome everyone to the second episode of Jake's Garage. Got a couple things we're going to try and touch on today. The first one would be trying to move this truck here. As we see, it has flat tires off the rim on all four corners, and I need to get it moved in the shop so that I can get a boat in here and work on it. So what we're going to do is try out these Harbor Freight wheel dollies. They were $10.99 at Harbor Freight. We're going to give them a try. There's apparently a 1,000-pound wheel dolly. It's cheaper than buying actual wheel dollies. I bought 4 of these for $40 as compared to $50 for 2 metal wheel dollies. So we're going to jack the truck up, get it off the center block, set it on these, and see if we can't get it moved. Be right back with you. Alright, now we've got all four corners sitting on these Harbor Freight dollies. None of them are cracked. Hey, Poochie. None of them cracked. They seem to have a little bit of movement. Now I get the pleasure of trying to push this heavy turd around. So we're going to try and put it right there. And once we get it in place, that'll leave us room to get the boat in here. I think that's a project y'all will enjoy. It's a 1993 Conquest jet boat with a 468 big block Chevrolet in it. Once I get it in here, I'll get the cover off and show it to y'all. Just right now it's covered up outside, and need to get in here. We got to pull the jet pump out on it, do a little work to the engine, and then we'll get going. So we'll try and push this thing around. Be right back. Now we got the truck moved to where I want it in the shop. I must say these Harbor Freight wheel dollies here are definitely worth their money. I know Harbor Freight will normally exaggerate on what their products can do, but I give these some credit. I know this truck here doesn't weigh but maybe 3,000 pounds, and so all 4 of them put together would be 4,000 pounds for 1,000 pounds apiece. So by its ability to actually move it, I was quite surprised. Now we can get to the unboxing portion of the video. I've had this package for a while, so I've already opened it, but I'll let y'all see it firsthand. We got a new core support mount bracket for the driver's side. The original one, the truck had been in some type of front end collision. Wasn't sure. I know the front end is off and it had a bunch of stuff, but what gave me that sign is this is the original bracket here. I don't know how well you can tell, but this thing's quite bent up. So bought a new one, come from LMC Truck. They're the only ones I could find that carry it. And we also have the new core support bushings for the truck. The thing about these 67 and 68s is they require a special core support bushing. They used a smaller, thinner rubber on them, as the 69 and above used a different one. This one here I bought from, seems Counterpart Automotive. It was cheaper than LMC. I think I paid $19.99 for these here, as LMC wanted $50 for the whole set. So coming up in a future video, we're going to get all this on the truck, get the core support in, try and get the radiator in, maybe start plumbing up some of the hoses, and start on some of the wiring. Let's try and get this thing started. Thank y'all, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments below on anything you think I could do to improve the channel.